Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am giving you a whole bunch of stuff, but I think it's going to be all very useful. I'm going to do a what's in my makeup bag, makeup on the go, and show you a new Teddy Blake purse with a coupon code, and I'm going to put the makeup on. How about that? Okay. Yes, and hi, I got a haircut and it is short. But I like it. It's sassy. I did kind of, you know, kink it up a bit. And it's really, look at this. How, like, layered in the back. And I was like, okay, thanks. You know, like, when she finished. But it's great. Okay. So, first off, oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored in any way. But I do need to mention that Teddy Blake was so kind to reach out to me again and send me another bag. It's like the handbag god smiled on me. So last year I did a what's in my bag, and I can link that for you above and below, and it was a Teddy Blake purse. So Teddy Blake has come out with a new line of handbags for this summer, and this is the Bella satchel, and it's in the small size, which this is plenty big in my opinion. My other bag was a bit bigger, but this is kind of my comfort zone for a big bag. I do like little crossbodies, and then I do this size. And it comes in other shades. Of course, I had to get this pink. I don't have a pink purse, and this pink was calling to me. There's a few other, there's like 5 or 6 new styles, and one of them is a crossbody, one of them is a bucket bag, like there's a tote. Super, super cute. They've changed things up a little bit. They now have this gold emboss label. This purse has a shoulder strap, so you can use it as a crossbody. It has, I hit myself with it. It has these little snaps if you want to kind of streamline the bag, or you can unsnap it and make it super roomy. And so it has kind of this inside, large area, and then there are these pockets, zippered pockets on each side. And for me, that is great, because what I like to do is I like to put like my car key, you know, the keyless entry key fob that you don't really use, you just need on your person. So I like to put that in like a zippered pouch where I don't really open it, and maybe a couple other things that I don't always access, but I just kind of want nearby, like, I don't know, my voter's card, my mailbox key, which I do access, but I just don't want them falling out. Whereas this is like where I keep my wallet, I keep my sunglasses, I keep my phone, I like keep the stuff that I'm just reaching in constantly. Usually it has a ton of receipts, a bunch of Kleenexes, but I'm going to do what's in my little makeup pouch and show you that. I will link codes, links, all that below. Thank you again, Teddy Blake. I love you. Okay, so this actually happens to be a Jouer makeup bag. Sometimes they have them as a gift with purchase on their website. I don't know if you can purchase it separately. I think this is burlap, and some people are allergic to burlap or kind of don't like it. It's actually kind of itchy. Okay, so in here, I am going to do my face with either summer focused products. So they have like either an SPF, or they're just kind of bronzy and low key, or they're double duty. So like they're great for vacation, they're great for being travel friendly, they're portable. It means when something's double duty, it means then you can take less products with you, right? So that you're taking something, instead of one product, you're taking 2, so it takes up less room in your makeup bag, etc. So I'll just go through here and show you. I'm gonna take everything out actually. This is like the biggest makeup pouch I have. I have several, but not this roomy, which is why it's kind of nice. So I have a few things you've seen, and I have some things that I've just found. And I think everything is either, yeah, I think everything is sensitive skin friendly. So first things first is sunscreen. If you haven't put your sunscreen on already, which I am a very loyal sunscreen applier, but this sunscreen is a primer. I should say this primer is a sunscreen. It's the Milani Prime and Protect SPF 30, and it is Beautypedia approved. It is quite, I don't know, what would you say? Like, it has a really good emollients to it. It's not a white cast. It does a good job under makeup. Yeah, and if you put it on thoroughly, then you're getting coverage, because let's say you're not a really good sunscreen applier, or you want kind of double duty sunscreen. If you pick a primer with an SPF in it, that can be a good thing for you. I don't have a foundation that is like a liquid foundation. What I'm going to show you guys are a combination of concealers and powders. So let's keep our fingers crossed. I'm just kidding. Okay, so right now I am loving Wander Beauty. Wander Beauty is all about double duty beauty. That rhymes. So I have done this before for you guys where, or maybe I talked about it. I am putting on concealer almost like foundation. Because I am red. I'm gonna put it right there. You can blend this in with your finger or a sponge or a brush. It's up to you. I'm kind of doing my fingers just to make it warm on my skin. I'm kind of thinking about makeup for our family trip coming up here to Disneyland, and I'm thinking about how I like to take things that, you know, when you put your makeup on in a hotel, it's never ideal, and then when you put your makeup on in a hotel with your family members in the room, it's like, oh my gosh, what if you can't get to the sink to dampen your beauty blender because your 15-year-old son is taking all the livelong day taking a shower? Because we're not the only one in the family that is a product whore. Am I letting my son, yeah, I am. Yes, he likes his shower gel. He shops for shower gel with me. I know that sounds funny. Okay, so I'm kind of just covering red areas, and I'm gonna show you two options for powder foundation. You guys have seen this before. I've done the Wander Beauty. Love this stuff, you guys. I love it. So I'm gonna show you, if I put this on my nose, how great this is. Honestly, I'm wondering if part of the success of this product is in the sponge. So Wander Beauty, if you're watching this, please let me know. I would like a ton of sponges. Okay, because maybe that's what's making everything so good, because this is like not velvet, not spongy sponge. It's kind of different. Okay, then the other option is Au Naturale. This is a powder foundation, but you spray it on the brush and it is fantastic. I've showed this to you guys before. It works so nicely for just being easy, portable, natural. It doesn't feel powdery. See, like, look at this. I'm literally spraying my brush with powder. And you can just apply it. It can be a finishing powder. It can be over liquid foundation if you want. Little blushy dude. I'm pretty much just gonna do bronzer, but I figure I can do a little bit of blush and highlighter. So I'm going into my Guys Base FX palette because this is super convenient and it has your bronzer, your contour, your highlight, and your setting powder. So I'm going to take just a Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to take a fan brush, and I'm going to just go into my contour, do a little bit of contour, okay, so I did put that cream highlighter on, but you can also use the highlighter that's in here, but I think I'm good. I'm going to use these shades for eyeshadows. I know, right? So I'm just using a tapered shadow brush, and I'm going to go in the bronzer and the contour. I'm just doing this. To take a brush and put it in the highlighter shade and put it right here. I found something I love from Tarte, but then I found also something I really enjoy that's cheap from LA Colors. So the Browy Wowie, I love that pencil. This is a tinted brow gel, and it has the short brush, you know, this little brush that has, and it does have the fibers. This totally reminds me of like Wonder Brow, the boy brow. And then the Busy Gal Brows from Tarte has the skinny brow brush. And they both have fibers, and they both fill in your brows. Like super fast. And I feel like it's a little more dramatic. I'm just showing you both. I need my brows shaped and waxed. And now for mascara. This Revlon mascara called Volumazing is pretty amazing. Not gonna lie. It's new. You can find it at Rite Aid. I actually was sent it by Revlon when they were formulating it. I know. How cool is that? I got to test it when it didn't have any packaging. I mean, it had packaging, but it was secret. Whatever. Anyway, and then I gave it my feedback and blah, 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 blah. So I do love it. And then I actually bought this tube. So that tells you how much I like it. Revlon mascaras for me are just kind of hit and miss. Right now I'm loving a ton of different mascaras, to be honest with you. The Stila Huge Lash is awesome, but for a drugstore, I'm gonna say this Revlon is pretty darn good. And then if you want to do something more dramatic with your lip, there is this Wander Beauty, Double Duty Beauty, this little lipstick duo with 2 lipsticks in each chamber. This is Date Night and Girls Night Out. And so let's see if this red, it's definitely a yellow red. So there I am in my portable makeup look. Everything here was so easy, and I didn't use a bottle of foundation. I just used powder and concealer. And also, if you want to touch up your sunscreen throughout the day, I've got the Derma E Essentials Sun Powder in the mineral, sun protection in the mineral powder, which I like a lot. And then this is the Color Science, which I can't get enough of. I have 2 of these. I have 3 of these. And I put them on all the time. And you can put your sunscreen down here, and you can put the sunscreen on the back of your hands. And yeah, so, but this way you are covered. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Please click that subscribe button and that notification bell. I will leave all links, discount codes, everything down below, I promise. And yeah, and I want to know from you if you have a favorite summer portable makeup item. Yeah, and you are probably going to ask about waterproof mascara, and I don't use waterproof mascara. It does not agree with me. I can never get it off, and so yeah, okay. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. Bye.